Hello everybody! Watch this video to learn how to unlock a USB drive, an SD or microSD memory card, or a hard drive when it has the write protection enabled. If you get the message the disk is write protected when copying files or formatting a device, don't hurry to throw it away. Let's see what can be done in such a situation. You can get similar error messages when working with a computer or laptop, as well as with a mobile phone, tablet PC, TV or car audio. Do the following to remove write protection. Some models of flash drives, memory cards, and external drives can have switches to enable write protection. Most often you can find such switches in SD cards. So examine the device carefully and check the position of the switch if there is any. Your device may be infected by a virus blocking your attempt to write or format the drive. Check the device with an antivirus and clean it if necessary. You can also unlock the device by using the command prompt. Launch the command prompt as administrator, type in the command diskpart and press Enter. Type in list disk and press Enter. Find the drive number corresponding to your flash drive, memory card or hard drive. When doing it, the drive size will help you. Type in select disk and the number of the disk that corresponds to your device and press Enter. Type in attributes, disk clear read only and press Enter. This will unlock the device for writing. We also recommend cleaning and formatting the drive for further use. But you should take the following steps only if the drive contains no important data. Type in clean and press Enter. It will delete all data on this drive, including service information. Type in create partition primary and press Enter. It creates a new partition. Then type in select partition 1 and press Enter. Type in active and press Enter, and the new partition will become active. Then type in format fs equals FAT32 quick and press Enter. It will format the device in FAT32 format. After that, type in assign and press Enter to give the flash drive a letter name. When you did it, try creating a file or folder on the flash drive. As we can see, protection has been removed successfully. If this advice didn't help you, watch our previous videos about fixing flash drive errors. If you liked this video, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more. If you have any questions, leave a comment to ask one. Thank you for watching and good luck!